Welcome back, my dear students. Now we'll go ahead with the derivation part of the thin cylinder, that is put an heading expression for change in diameter, length and volume of the thin cylinder. See, thin cylinder will be subjected to some stresses, that is your longitudinal stress and circumferential stress. When we apply longitudinal stress and circumferential stress, then when longitudinal circumferential stress are induced inside, then there will be there will be some change in diameter and change in length and change in volume will be observed. Then now we need to derive an expression for change in diameter, change in length and change in volume. Okay, now let us consider, we know Young's modulus, that is E of the cylinder, we know Poisson's ratio of the cylinder, and we also know the expression for sigma L and expression for sigma C. These two are derived in a previous lecture. Then sigma L will be equal to PD by 4T and sigma C will be equal to PD by 2T. PD by 2T. See, in the first chapter, first module, we know if a plane stress is given like this, plane stresses are acting like this, sigma x and sigma y, sigma x and sigma x, and sigma y and sigma y, then this is not a compound stress. I am explaining this one we considered in first chapter, simple stress chapter. There the strain in the x direction will be equal to sigma x divided by E minus mu times sigma y by E. Then strain in y direction will be equal to sigma y by E minus sigma mu times sigma x by E. This we called it as a generalized Hooke's law. There I taught you. Here in place of sigma x I will consider sigma L, in place of sigma x sigma L, and in place of sigma y I will consider sigma C, that is sigma C. Then if I substitute these equations here, what I get? Just check it. Epsilon x equal to sigma x is sigma L by E minus mu times sigma C by E. Now what is sigma L? Sigma L is one more thing, you can write it like this, no? Here PD by 4T is there, PD by 4T and PD by 2T, you can write it like sigma C equal to 2 times sigma L. Am I right? Am I right or wrong? I have to check it. Right? Sigma C means what? This is the PD by 2T, and sigma L is what? 2 into sigma L is what? PD by 4T. PD cancel, 2 ones are 2, 2s are cancel, this 2 cancel, TT cancel, means everything is cancelled, means sigma C equal to 2 sigma L I can write it. Now sigma L means what? That sigma L I will keep it as it is, divided by E minus mu times sigma C means what? 2 times sigma L divided by E. Then what is the common here you can take? That is sigma L by E you can take common. What is left here? 1 is left, and what is left here? 2 mu is left. This is an expression for expression for strain in x direction. Strain in x direction. If you want change in length, x direction means what? See, this is a cylinder, this is a cylinder. If I consider this as a x and this is a y, then this is a x direction means length it is. Therefore change in length divided by original length equal to sigma L by E into 1 minus 2 mu. Then what is the change in length? Expression for change in length equal to sigma L by E into 1 minus 2 mu into length. This is your expression for change in length. Any doubts? No doubts. Thank you. Next, sigma C, expression in terms of y direction, that is your this is your sigma y divided by E minus mu times sigma x divided by E, and sigma y I consider sigma C divided by E minus mu times sigma L divided by E. Then sigma C I know 2 times sigma L divided by E minus mu times sigma L by E. Then if I take sigma L by E taken common, then 2 minus mu is the answer. This is your epsilon y, and epsilon y in the y direction, what is there? In the y direction we have a diameter, therefore this is a change in diameter divided by original diameter is equal to sigma L by E into 2 minus mu. Then sigma d, sorry, change in diameter is equal to sigma L by E into 2 minus mu into diameter. This is an expression for change in diameter. That is expression for change in diameter. Over. Very easy, right? Any doubts? No doubts. Thank you. Next. Next what? Change in volume. Little involved. That is change in volume. Expression for change in volume. Expression for change in volume. Here we know that a cylinder, if it is the cylinder, then what is the volume of the cylinder? Then the volume of the cylinder is, if it is the length and if it is the diameter, then the total volume will be equal to pi by 4 into d square. Pi by 4 into d square. This is the area. Area into length is your volume. Now we got it. Area into length, you got it. Right? Now what I do, I will take log on both sides. Then log V equal to log of pi by 4 d square L. Then this will be log, products are there here. You know log m into n equal to log m plus n. Like that, log pi by 4 plus log d square plus log L. Okay, this is your log V. You know that log m to the power n, then that is m log n. Therefore, this 2 will come this side. Therefore, this is your log pi by 4 plus 2 log d plus log L. This is your log V. Now differentiate this entire thing with respect to V. Okay, so sorry, don't worry, differentiate with respect to nothing like that. You just write the derivative of these variables. Derivatives, we call it as derivatives. Then the derivative of log V is 1 by V into dV, and derivative of this one is a 0 because it is constant, and 2 as it is. Derivative of log D is 1 by D into dd. This is differentiation of D, and derivative of this one is 1 by L into dl. Okay, now if you see somewhat very keenly, then you will find that delta V by V equal to 2 times delta D by D plus delta L by L. Say what is this delta V by V? That is your volumetric strain is equal to, this is a 2 times strain in y direction plus strain in x direction. You got an expression. Okay, if you want to write in a change in volume expression, then delta V by V equal to, what is that, 2 times delta D by D plus delta L by L. Okay. Now you know delta D by D and delta L by L. That is your formula. Here I know that is your delta D by D is this one, delta L by L is this one, and delta D by D is this one. That I will substitute in that place. Then what I will get? First I have to substitute what delta D by D. Delta D by D is sigma L by E 2 minus mu. This is 2 into sigma L by E into 2 minus mu plus this is sigma L by E into 1 minus 2 mu. Okay. Then what happens? This bracket is not required, right? Because only one parameter is there. Therefore, bad bracket, I will remove this bracket. Okay, na? Now here if I take it inside, first sigma L by E will take common. Sigma L by E is taken common. What is left here? 2 into 2 minus mu plus 1 minus 2 mu. Okay. Then here sigma L by E is outside. 4 minus 2 mu plus 1 minus 2 mu. Then the answer will be 4 plus 1 will be 5. Sigma L by E into 1 minus sorry 5 5 minus 4 mu, this is your delta V by V over. This is an expression for change in volume, but change in volume is this V, you bring it this side, then delta V equal to sigma L by E into 5 minus 4 mu into V. This is your expression for change in volume. Over. Any doubts? No doubts. Thank you. In the next class we will solve some problems. Thank you.